Hello guys, welcome to my wife's channel. Once again it became Friday here in Denmark and the sun is shining. So what happened is I'm out driving and suddenly I got a call for a desperate wife. Can you please pick up a gift for me? And of course I did that. Hallelujah, Zalando, hallelujah, for making my life miserable. Picking up gift after gift like she's a goddamn millionaire. Really?
It's on sale, oi.
Yeah, it's on sale. Sure. So now we'll unbox this apparently things she bought, and it's probably not for me 100%. So here we go. I will unbox it. Are you ready? Unboxing will start now. So she got this package. Don't show the address. Girls will come here all the time. I'm taking, really. Anyway, I say, feel free to be excited and feel free to be curious. And here is the address. So girls, if you want to be excited and feel curious about your life, come to me. Oh, anyway, that was a different video. But I don't feel excited and I don't feel curious. I feel angry, mad and disappointed of my wife's shopping habits. So here we go. I will rip it open. Feeling excited and angry at the same time. Wow, there is a paper, probably a bill. Wow, it's beauty. Okay, it's beauty. It actually made me a little not angry, but a little sad on my wife's behalf because she feels so ugly. So she have to buy some beauty product. And that, of course, is support, because then I may feel a little excited at some point. And not just one, but there is two beauty. That's because she needs double up of the beauty. See, so that's what she does. So that's good. So I will have a very beautiful wife in a few hours. Oh wow, it's so nice. It's wrapped. It is a package with something like this you can put in your face. Wow, I cannot. Wow, I'm so excited. And oh my god, here we go. There is one similar to the same.
Is it?
Bring it on tonight. Now I feel excited. Bring it on tonight. Ooh, what a night. Do, 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 do. Oh, 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 what a night. I will not stop. Oh, what. First of all, I feel like a chump sitting here and making an unbox video for my wife. But she said that her face is so ugly that she cannot be in front of the camera today, so she's behind the camera. And I have to agree with her to disagree. I found my wife very beautiful, but then again, she probably really needs this one. So that's why she bought it, not because she wanna, top up her game and be beautiful in front of the camera, because she needed, because she feel ugly. But it also say bring it on tonight, and that will be very nice. So tonight we will bring it on. Bring it on.
Okay.
Bring it on tonight. Bring it on, Am. And this is the other one she bought, and it says something about SOS skincare, and it cannot tell it more deeply than that. SOS is an emergency for my wife's face, but it also said it will glow. So we don't. So even it's been very exciting and very expensive probably to buy this one. Then it will glow in the dark, so we can actually save on electricity. So maybe in the long run we will actually come out alive financially after this purchase. So everybody have a great weekend. Do what you want and. Bring it on and glow in the dark. It will be nice. Bye-bye.